So to replace the wiper blades on this vehicle, I'm showing you both the drivers and passengers just because I have two slightly different ways of connecting these. So we'll start with the passenger side. The passenger side is the shorter of the two. It's a 21-inch blade, just so you know. And if you get a multi-fit blade like this, you'll notice that the adapter that comes with it is not going to be the correct one. You'll get two different types in the package, three different types actually, because this is a 2-in-1. So basically, let's set those aside, and to remove this one that already comes mounted, you'll see a clip right here. Just go ahead and press on that clip, and that'll release the adapter from the back side. You want to slide it backwards and just lift it straight up. Then you want to take piece B and C, they kind of go together, and it has a hook in the front. The hook goes in here. You'll see there's a little arrow that points forward. Line these up, slide it forward, it'll click in. However, we need to remove this piece C, so pry forward on this tab and lift up on this insert here, and then you're left with just adapter B, and that's what you're going to use. So now, to actually install it, you would lift up on the original wiper blade. I'm going to clean this off in a minute here. You don't want to put new wiper blades on with a bunch of sand like this. It'll ruin the blade. And then at the back right here, you'll see a couple tabs that you want to press in. There's one on here and one on the other side. Just squeeze them in, and then automatically, as you squeeze it, the blade's going to want to push forward. You just remove it. Support this. Don't let it smack onto the glass, because it can potentially break the glass, and then well, you're in for more trouble than this was worth. To install the new blade, what I'm going to do is line up the two tabs at the back, just like this. Once they're both lined up, just go ahead and press it down like this. It'll snap into place at the front. And now, before you set it down completely, remove this plastic protector that comes on the blade for shipping purposes. Of course, like I said, I'm going to clean the glass, but this is how you install this one. Then for the driver's side, the installation procedure is going to be the same, but the swapping of the adapter is going to be slightly different. So what you want to do on this one, you'll notice that it pivots up and down like this. Has two tabs, one on each side. It says press, so press it right here and pull it straight up, and then just keep pulling it. It'll pop right off. Then you take adapter C. This is also B, but it's underneath it, and it has this hook here that has to line up with this pivot point. Just snap it into place. You'll hear it pop in, and then just like we did on the other one, you want to remove adapter C. So lift up on the front, you're left with B, and then you do the same thing to install it on the driver's side, and of course remove the plastic protector. Now let's remove the original, or the old, driver's side wiper blade. Same way, little clips on the back, and then line up the rear tabs first, just like we did on the other side. You want to make sure that they slide in right here on both sides, and once they do, you can press this up and onto the wiper arm, just like that. Blow off any debris. As you can see, I cleaned the glass like I said I would. Set it down, and there you go.